Welcome, today in front of you XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So first you should go to the camera application and on the right upper corner tap to the burger menu, and as you see we got here the currently aspect ratio is 3:4. We can change that to the 1:1, and as you see our aspect ratio changed successfully. Now we can also choose the 9:16, and as you can see we got the full also the full option. And when I will just take a photo, you can just select all your all your screen, and also we can go back to the 3:4. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.